Resource Day. What is it? February 5th. And the Resource Day is basically a whole bunch of resources for the youth that we serve, and try to help them get forward with a bunch of resources that can help them out through life.
Hey, y'all shout out to NSA.
How y'all doing? Alright, so today at NSA, today our Resource Day, we got a good bunch of people here. Tell you a lot of things about what they do. You know what I'm saying? And yeah.
Today was a great resource day. Resources for our youth to get into.
Peace.